Today we are here with the 5 best call recorder apps for iPhone, both free and paid options to help you choose the right one for your needs. So let's get started. The first one is Call Recorder VOIP. It records incoming and outgoing calls via VOIP and has high quality audio recording stored securely in the iCloud. It is easy sharing of recordings via email or other apps. For this, no setup is required and it works instantly and it is user-friendly interface. And also it is free with in-app purchases option in App Store. Now secondly, we have Automatic Call Recorder. It automatically records all calls once enabled and organizes recording by date and contact. It also supports sharing recorded with ease. It is fully automatic, no manual intervention required and compatible with most VoIP services as well. It is free trial, then subscription is best on weekly. Now on third, we have Call Recorder iCall. It records both incoming and outgoing calls. It offers unlimited recording storage with paid versions, an initiative designed for easy operation. It is quick recording activation and cloud storage integration. It requires a subscription for full features and free trial is also available while subscription for $9.99 month. On fourth, we have Call Recorder Auto Recorded. It automatically records call for selected contacts. Its audio enhancement for clear playback and ability to categorize and tag recordings. It is smart recording filters as well as clean interface for managing files. It may have compatibility issues with some carriers as well, but it is free with premium options. On fifth, we have Call Recording by NoNotes. It has recording calls and provides transcription services. It offers unlimited storage for recordings and allows sharing and downloading recordings. It is reliable transcription service and excellent for professional use. It requires subscription for extended use and it is free trial available. Subscription starts at $10 a month. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.